Hi guys, Rich Bassini, your YouTube vlogger and creator. Today I have a tip for people who are thinking about starting a YouTube channel. I want to get more exposure, more views, and hopefully more subscribers. And that's going to be done by using the share feature within YouTube. So without further ado, let's get right to it. I'm going to minimize my screen here. And this is my home page here, but we're going to pick a video out I already have. We're going to use this one here, starting a YouTube channel. Do I want to be a vlogger? No, we're not going to watch it. If you guys got the chance, check it out. You know, you might get some good pointers and good tips from it. So without further ado, let's get right to it. Now, every time I create a video, folks, I use the share feature. And for those who don't know, if you look over here at the bottom, or right underneath the video itself, you're going to have like, dislike, share, download, thanks, clip, and save, and so on. When you click on the share feature, you're going to get these here with all the different social media networks here. You're going to get Twitter, Blogger, Pinterest, Reddit, Facebook, and when you click it over here, they got more. They got LiveJournal, Tumblr, and Mix, and so on. I don't use any of these guys here. Mix, I was working with them there. I have to check them out. Tumblr, I use basically all the other ones. This one here I have to work on here, but you could use these as well. And it's really cut and dry, folks. And every time I do a video, now some people say, yeah, but you don't want to inundate, Twitter with every time you produce a video. Folks, I've been doing it. I haven't had any complaints or anything like that. And it's really cut and dry. When you come over here to share your video, let's just say, again, this video is for the new YouTubers out there who are thinking about starting a YouTube channel. You want to get as much exposure as possible, okay? And the other thing is, another little tip too, on your iPhone, well, I use the iPhone 8 here. If you have a TikTok app or the Instagram app, you might want to use that as well to promote your YouTube channel. That's what I've been doing, and my channel has been growing, not in leaps and bounds. It's slow growing, but it's growing, and I'm getting I notice more views by doing this here. So what you want to do is, I'm going to use this as an example. You're going to click on Twitter. Okay, like I said, pretend you just did a video, and what you want to do is you want to hit the tweet button, all right? Because if you don't, you got to do that, of course. When you hit the tweet button, it's going to bring you to another page. You're going to click over here, and here's my profile page, right? And as you can see here it is, okay? And now I have a following of what, 1,640 followers. So that message will hopefully go out to them. But for all argument's sake, I already did it over here. I'm not going to do it again. If you do make a mistake, let's say for some reason you forgot and you put it in there twice or whatever, you could always get rid of it. Just go with these, open up these three little dots, and just hit the delete and acknowledge it, and boom, it's gone. Okay, that's basically it. That's all I want to show you. And it's really cut and dry, and you could do that with all of them. If you go to Blogger, I already did it with Blogger. You'll say share RJ Bassini for great deals. On eBay, that's another one there too I have. But you could promote. And if you have a business, let me bump out of here. If you do have an eBay business, you can promote that as well. Okay, I did a video on it. I think it was a YouTube short. I talked about it. You could do that as well. And then again, folks, if you have the Instagram and Twitter on here, promote your YouTube channel as well. Okay, all right, that's all I want to share with you guys right now. I hope this little tip, it's a little tip, folks, but it may be of help to you guys. Try it out. You have nothing to lose but everything to gain. I've been doing it. And I noticed my channel's been growing. Like I said again, it's not growing, phenomenally, but it's growing. It's getting there little by little. Okay. So I hope it works. If it does work, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. Yay, nay, it helps, it didn't help, or whatever. But you don't know until you try. That's what I look at. And it's not costing you anything except a little of your time. All right. So try it out. And lastly, if you like this video or any of my other videos, please check them out. And if you do, please don't forget that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And if you want to be updated when I post in the videos, please hit that bell notification icon. Until next time, bye-bye for now, and good luck on your new YouTube journey. I wish you guys all the best, especially those who are thinking about starting a YouTube channel. And never give up on your dreams. Go for the gusto. Bye-bye for now.